Hello guys, I'm here with the fire alarm update video. This is not a system test, but more of an information video and sneak peek. The reason I haven't been making system tests is because, well, my old panel fried. Well, it quit working, pretty much fried, so I had to buy a new panel. And I had to wait till school was over because I didn't have the money. So anyway, my new panel came yesterday, so here it is. It's a Firelight MS2. Now, the reason I chose the MS2 is because I didn't really have the need for a 4-zone panel. The reason I didn't have the need for a 4-zone panel is because my system is small. I'm only going to have 2 pull stations hooked up. Now, I might, if I get smoke detectors or heat detectors, I might put zone 1 for pull stations and then zone 2 for smoke and heat detectors, but I didn't get any smoke detectors yet. But along with this panel, I got 2 P2Rs and 1 SR. I had 1 P2R already, so now I have 3 and 1 SR. I had that pull station. But anyway, this is a nice panel. As you can see, there's no troubles on the system. I have batteries. Yeah. Oop, there's my finger. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and test it out. That is really loud. Go ahead and acknowledge. And you notice the strobe is still flashing. That's because I have selective silence on and system sensor sync on. So let me go ahead and reset this pull station. Let me set the camera down. But this is a nice panel otherwise. So let me go ahead and hit reset. You notice the strobe stops flashing. But this is only a 1 NAC panel. There is no NAC 2. Don't know what that is, but anyway, here's all the switch options. See, you got system sensor sync, Gentex sync, and Wheelock sync. And then here's all that. The silence inhibit, I believe, is you can't silence the alarm until after it's gone off for 1 minute. And then here's all the operating instructions. But that's pretty much it for this panel. I know it seems basic, but it actually can do a lot. Let me go ahead and lock this up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for new System Test 4.